Okay, so today we're going to make a banana apple muffin. So I'm just trying to mash one medium-sized ripe bananas. So you would want to use a ripe one so that it's naturally sweet. So just mash it. It doesn't have to be completely like smooth. A little bit of chunks is okay. But the idea is to just mash it, and I'm just using a fork to do it. So this is good. Next, I'm just going to add yogurt. You can actually skip it if you don't have it, but it adds a moisture, so I'm adding it because I have some leftover yogurt that I can use. Okay, and then we're just going to add oil. That crack one. That's not. Then I'm just going to whisk it. I'm adding the flour. I'm adding the baking powder. And I'm also using baking soda. I'm adding a third of salt. Okay, I forgot to add the sugar. You should add that with the wet ingredients, but that's okay. You can still mix it. Make it on the side. I'm adding a little bit of milk. Oops. About 2 tablespoons. Just to thin it out. Because we're still going to add the chopped apples here. I just don't want it to be too dense. So just to lighten it up a bit, just add milk. If you like to add spices like cinnamon, allspice, you can do that. In my case, I like it a little bit more. I just like it like plain. Okay, next we have the diced apples. Just mixed it. So this exactly 6. Okay, so then we're going to top it with chopped apples. This is totally optional. I just think that it's nice to have bits and pieces on the top. You can skip it. You can also use a chopped pecans, some nuts on top. Next, I have some cinnamon sugar. So this is just like brown sugar mixed with the cinnamon powder. If you don't like cinnamon powder, then just add some sprinkling of brown sugar. This will give a nice crunch on the top. There you go. I think I add more. Yeah, that will make like a crunchy kind of like a top layer, which is kind of nice. There you go. And I like to balance it with a sprinkling of coarse salt, you know. And we're good. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will start with 400, and then that will be for 5 minutes, and then we'll lower the temperature at 350 and bake for probably 15 to 18 more minutes. Let's do that.